Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a purchase order for Miss Pearl Brown. The box is kind of big for me to put up on screen. And let me tell you, it would take up my whole desk. And the position my desk is in right now, I can't fit anything on top of my desk. So I'm just going to pull things out of the box and let y'all see what I have. Okay, Durkee. Okay, my first item is these. They're wooden spools, and I have a few. I purchased a few from her before, and I have ideas to do with them for them. So, you can use this for many projects. And I have a few projects that I'm going to be using this for. That's item number one. Item number two that I purchased from her, and I couldn't, oh my God, I could not pass this up. Anything Paris or peacocks, it's mine. So I bought this gorgeous fabric from her. I think I got 2 yards, if I'm not mistaken, a yard or two. I will mark it when I do the video, piece the video together. I also have some punchinella. Now, I can use this. This can be used for um, you can use it when you're jelly printing or just doing backgrounds for your projects, okay? Like painting papers. So I got that. I have it in gold and in, I don't know what, like a pink. You can't see, it's like a holographic pink. It's showing white on the screen. I don't know why. But it's a holographic pink color. So we got that. We also have these little notepads here. Oh, and I like the way, I have an idea for these. So you're just going to have to watch and see what I do with that. And I also got, of course, more fabric. So, as we know, Vanessa loves her patty. So, let me move these out of the way. Actually, let me put the punchinella back in the bag. Here, dog. Put that back over there. This over here. And we're going to show off these babies. We have this Paris fabric. And I think most of my fabrics, I got anywhere from 1 to 3 yards. She had them all labeled, but most of the labels came off. So this one, I think, let me see. Yep, 2 yards for this one. And I love it. I have ideas coming up with all the stuff that I have purchased. And trust me, it's going to be a whirlwind once I get started. And this one here is also about 1 yard to 3 yards. Okay? This one is perfect for what I'm thinking of. Oh, gorgeous, really beautiful fabrics. Now, this one is definitely 3 yards, guys. Look at that, how pretty. Junk journal covers? Maybe. We'll have to wait and see. This one again, beautiful, beautiful. You can see here, whoops, I got 2 different ones under here. This one has stiletto, different style stiletto heels. They have feathers, butterflies. and I love it. And this one was 3 yards. Very good prices on her fabrics. So I jumped in on it. Then we also have this one that's 3 yards. And this one is a Notion style simplicity fabric. So it has a sewing machine here, Simplicity Vintage. You have a whole sewing kit here with scissors, needle, safety pins, thimble, buttons, and thread over here. You got the fancy looking little scissors here, and the models for simplicity. So, and it fills up the whole uh, fabric like this. See, Simplicity Vintage. And you got little flowers here. And they're all octagon shapes, which I like. This one has script in the back. Here's like a little floral pattern here. They all have different patterns on them. That is that one. Let me see. I know I have another one somewhere. I'm just trying not to have a craft-a-lanch here. So I have to be very careful. Whoops. Well, that didn't help. I have to be very careful when I am undoing all this. So now we have this fabric. And of course, I love little hedgehogs and foxes. Not this one yet. As you can see, it's 3 yards. And they have, what caught me is the little fox. And they have an owl over here. You have a deer. You have a tiny bird. You have the hedgehog and a bunny rabbit. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Themed junk journal? Maybe. So you're going to have to wait and see. And this one, I love the little red truck. And this one is the blue Volkswagen. And it is beautiful. You have the little vintage wagon here, Volkswagen here, with the trunk popped up. And you have a whole picnic here with some, what they call them. I forgot what they, sunflowers. There we go. Then you got a bicycle that has the wine, the grapes, and the wine glasses with the handlebars here. Here's the full bicycle here. You have a little bird on the handles. And that's all I see in this one. You got a baguette here. Looks like they had a very nice picnic. That one's that. Now, let's see here. Without costing the craft-a-lanch, I have a few more items from Miss Pearl. You'll have to go and look at her YouTube channel. What's in here? I don't know. We'll open it and see. Where's my schizoras? My schizoras have disappeared. Let's dig into this one and see what's in here. And we're going to get busy. I think I think I know. Yes, that's what I thought it was. The cigar box. And she packages things very well. I have one more box coming in from her, so we'll see. We'll have another one. Uh-oh. Okay. We'll have another purchase order video from Miss Pearl. So here, this is a vintage cigar box. And inside is some other items that I purchased from her. Ooh, some vellum This is a veneer wood. Oh, cool. I have an idea for that already. That came with that. Let's set this, and we'll put that over there, and we'll take a look at this here. Everything came nice and neatly packaged. So, these are napkins, and these are egg napkins. Different. I don't know what kind of eggs they are, but I like the napkin, and I have an idea for it. So I have, let's see, 6 of those. And this napkin here reminded me of a house in New Orleans, Louisiana, where I'm originally from. So I bought a set of those, and it's full panel. You got all 4 sides that have the house. It also could be, you know, the White House or whatever, mansion, whatever you want to call it. So we got those. And I think I have one more item. Let me put those back in the bag so they don't get thrown all over with the craftalins that I'm having here. Put that there. And hopefully it doesn't fall on me. And we have some more fabrics here. So, let's look at these. Put that hanging there. This is some sorry fabric here. Let me move these to the side here. And this is like a navy blue to a black color. See, there you go. Okay, with some gold and green in it. And I think I got a yard. Here's the back of it. I see a lot of projects coming up. And this one here, I think it's a little different pattern. No, it's the same pattern, but a different, it's in gold. Okay, same pattern, but in gold. And I think I got 2 to 3 yards of that. This one I have 2 yards, and it's a vintage fabric. And it's all floral. And let me tell you, the ideas I have coming up. So, we'll see. Recap, we have this one, this fabric, this one, this one. Okay. We have a lot to fit here. We have this cigar box, this spool. And I got tons of the spools, so I'm not going to put them all up on the desk here. We have the punchinella. We have the napkins. These napkins here. Let me see here. This fabric. I don't want to cover it up too much because this is going to be my thumbnail. We have that one. This one. Isn't that gorgeous fabric? But we're not going to be able to fit it all. We have that one. I love the dress form one. Of course, we all know I love Paris. And here's the other Paris fabric. There. We have this notepad. And I think that is it. That is it for this order, Crafty Angels. I believe. Yep. That is it for this order. So, I will say this in closing. Please be happy, be crafty, stay happy, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.